The Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act, 1939, allows Muslim women to seek divorce from court in certain situations. This act provides additional grounds for divorce beyond what's traditionally available under Muslim law. A wife can seek divorce if her husband has been absent for 4 years, fails to maintain her for 2 years, or if he is important or suffering from a serious illness. Here's a more detailed explanation. Grounds for divorce under the Act. 1. Husband's absence. If the husband's whereabouts are unknown for 4 years, the wife can seek a decree of divorce. 2. Non-maintenance. If the husband fails to provide for the wife's maintenance for a period of 2 years, she can seek a divorce. 3. Failure to perform marital obligations. If the husband fails to fulfill his marital duties for 3 years without a valid reason, the wife can seek divorce. 4. Impotence. If the husband was impotent at the time of marriage and continues to be so, the wife can seek a divorce. 5. Insanity or venereal disease. If the husband has been insane for 2 years or is suffering from a virulent venereal disease, the wife can seek divorce. 6. Cruelty. If the husband treats the wife cruelly, including through habitual assault or making her life miserable, the wife can seek divorce. And 7. Other valid grounds under Muslim law. The Act also allows for divorce on any other ground that is recognized as valid under Muslim law. Example. Imagine a Muslim woman named Fatima. Her husband, Karim, has been missing for 5 years, and she has no information about his whereabouts. Under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act, Fatima can file a petition in court to seek a decree of divorce based on Karim's absence, as this is one of the grounds specified in the Act. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.